G'day everybody, this is Gijoe Customs and Collections, and today I'm looking at repairing this metalhead leg mounted missiles. As you can see here, they're broken off the peg and they're always sort of broken off inside. So I'm going to look at repairing this. And you see this one here has been really discoloured by the sun. So let's get into it. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is look at discolouring this, or bringing it back into its original whitening it, and I'm going to use hydrogen peroxide, 6%, and put it in a glass jar and put it out in a sunny day. Alright, that looks good, and we'll take it out to the sun. Right, so I've got this out in the sun now, and I'll wait for about, maybe honestly about a day or two, and come back to that. Okay, now these have been sitting in the sun for, well, this has been sitting in the sun for about a day now, and it's come up pretty well. Now what I need to do is actually drill a hole and get into it. Okay, now I'll put some superglue in this. Actually, I better chop this in half too. Excellent. Okay. And then trim that down to size. That's again, if you looked at any of my other videos, I always cover my hands so I don't allow the paper clip to go flying hard out. Alright. That's not too bad. Well, we'll soon see how it goes with the missiles in there. Alright, so I'll put the missile launchers on his legs, and one is sitting really nicely, which is this one, and the other one, no. So what I might do is put a dollop of glue if I spin it around. Yeah, that's good. And I should be able to take that off once it's settled, and it should be a perfect hole for it to stay there. Alright. Okay, as you can see, the leg mounted missile launchers are in place, and I think they look pretty good. What's next now is to take them off and paint those pegs. So once again, the paint I'm using is the Tamiya color acrylic paint Semi-Gloss X18, and you can get them in any model shop. I got this from Mr. Models from Palmerstonnorth in New Zealand. There you go. Right, once that's painted, which it is now, leave that alone to dry. Actually, while I'm at it, I might as well repaint it here, as it's starting to get a bit patchy in some spots. Yep. Good as gold. So this is it. This is middle head fully assembled with his leg mounted missile launchers. Well, when I say fully assembled, minus the helmet, I do have the helmet. I just prefer middle head without his helmet. This pops out quite easily, as well as the other one, a bit tighter. Good to go. And yeah, so it's ready to add to Destro's Irongrenadiers army. Yeah, so that was quite a good, pretty good project. Like quick and easy, but still effective. You can actually do the leg pegs to about any figures. Like I done it to the Hydro Viper. And as you can see, I've put like pegs there for his spear gun. Rock and Roll version 2. Yeah, his pegs broke off. And I've added it to the Supersonic Rock and Roll. So yeah, it's quite easy to do. So you can do it with the Night Viper, the Heli Viper, just about any figure that has an extra accessory and you reckon it should be mounted on the leg. Easy done. All you need is just the paper clip, super glue, the drill, which is $1mm drill, and just a bit of time and patience. And with that, people, it's time for me to have a hot cup of coffee and relax. So until then, I'd really like to hear what you guys think. Like, share, subscribe, and take it easy. Yo, Joe.